Today I will show how to perfectly boil taro root in a pressure cooker. We have here 500 grams of taro root in a pressure cooker. Add just enough water to submerge the taro root. This is important. After adding the water, close the lid of the cooker. Keep the heat on high and let the pressure cooker blow the first whistle. If you follow the steps exactly as I do, your taro root will never turn out mushy after boiling. Here's the first whistle. Turn off the heat and let the pressure subside on its own, then open the pressure cooker. Once the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker and check the taro root. Then remove it to a colander and cool it well under running water for a minute or two. This will stop it cooking further. It will also cool down the taro root a little. After this, keep the colander on the pressure cooker itself or on a utensil. And let all the water drain out until the taro root is completely cooled. Once the taro root has cooled down completely, peel it. You can peel it with your fingers or use a knife if you wish. When the taro is completely cooled, it can be easily peeled, as it will not be mushy at all. Here we are peeling it with a knife. You can peel it any way you like, but if you keep two things in mind, then your taro root will never turn out gooey or mushy. The first is, turn off the heat as soon as the whistle blows, and the second is, peel it only after it has cooled down completely. Try this method and share your experience. If you find our video useful, please like and share it.